Introducing the Jerome's Estate Copper 2 mattress. The Estate Copper 2 features some of the highest quality materials found in mattresses today. At the core of each Estate Copper 2 are nested, individually pocketed springs and a layer of micro-coils, providing your body the finely tuned support it needs to achieve proper spinal alignment and deep, restful sleep. The pocketed springs are encased in a high-density perimeter foam, providing proper support right up to the edge of the mattress. Above the pocketed springs is a layer of zero-G transitional foam that reduces motion transfer and provides support in key pressure point areas of your body. Over the nested micro-coils is a layer of ultra-comfortable Talalay latex, providing a buoyant, weightless feel. The latex foam is antimicrobial and fully ventilated to breathe naturally while you sleep. Above that is a layer of Jerome's copper-infused gel memory foam. It contours to your body, providing an extra layer of support, and it conducts heat away from your body to keep you sleeping at an optimal temperature. The quilted fabric of the Estate Copper Gel is woven with tencil fiber, designed to wick moisture away, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the night. The Estate Copper 2 is compatible with all of Jerome's adjustable bases. Experience it for yourself at any Jerome's or Jerome's Dream Shop, and while you're there, receive a complimentary complete fit with one of our certified sleep experts. Our quick and easy process will help you find the mattress that's right for you, and you'll be sleeping better than you ever thought possible.